Welcome to Fleet Management Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to plan, operate, and optimize fleet operations from vehicle lifecycle management to route optimization. This is practical, actionable knowledge from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin with the fundamentals of fleet planning and how to manage vehicles effectively throughout their entire life cycle. These foundational concepts guide every decision we make in planning, operating, and optimizing a fleet. Fleet planning ensures we have the right number and type of vehicles to meet operational demands without excess. Understanding the full life cycle helps us optimize total cost of ownership and plan replacement strategically. Telematics gives us real-time visibility into vehicle location, performance, and driver behavior. TCO analysis ensures we consider acquisition, fuel, maintenance, insurance, and disposal costs together. Now let us explore the operational strategies that keep fleets running efficiently and cost-effectively every day. These proven strategies address the major cost and efficiency levers in fleet operations. Optimized routing reduces fuel consumption, improves delivery times, and decreases wear on vehicles. Moving from time-based to condition-based maintenance prevents breakdowns while avoiding unnecessary service visits. Monitoring fuel consumption patterns and coaching drivers on efficient habits produces significant savings at scale. Driver performance programs improve safety records, reduce accident costs, and lower insurance premiums. Managing the vehicle life cycle systematically ensures we maximize value and minimize total cost at every stage. We start by selecting vehicles that match our operational requirements, balancing capability with total cost of ownership. Proper deployment matches each vehicle to the routes and tasks where it delivers the most value. During operations, we continuously monitor fuel efficiency, driver behavior, and vehicle condition through telematics. A disciplined maintenance program keeps vehicles reliable and extends their useful life significantly. Strategic disposal at the right point in the depreciation curve maximizes resale value and minimizes lifecycle costs. The most successful fleet operations take a proactive, data-driven approach rather than reacting to problems as they arise. Reactive fleet management leads to higher costs, more downtime, and less predictable service delivery. Proactive management reduces costs, improves reliability, and creates a safer, more efficient fleet operation. Modern telematics systems provide the data foundation that makes intelligent fleet management possible. Real-time location tracking ensures we know where every vehicle is and how effectively our fleet is being utilized. Engine data from telematics sensors alerts us to maintenance needs before they become costly breakdowns. Telematics data on speeding, harsh braking, and idling helps us coach drivers towards safer, more efficient habits. Automated compliance reporting from telematics data reduces administrative burden and ensures we meet regulatory obligations. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of fleet management. Looking beyond purchase price to total lifecycle cost ensures our fleet investments deliver maximum value. These two strategies together can reduce fleet operating costs by 20 to 40%. Without telematics data, we are managing blind. Real-time visibility transforms every fleet management decision. Investing in driver performance creates a cascade of benefits from lower fuel costs to fewer accidents. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with fleet planning templates, optimization tools, and real-world case studies. Enroll today and run a smarter, more efficient fleet. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, keep your fleet running at peak efficiency.